Instead of giving you another rando list of AI tools, let me show you the tools I actually use to create Talk to Buchi. Welcome back to Talk to Buchi. I'm your host, Buchi, and here we talk AI tools, digital income, and practical ways to build online. These are the tools I actually use in my content workflow to be more productive. First is ChatGPT. This is where I often start. I use it to brainstorm content ideas, develop concepts, and generate images for my content. Sometimes the images are for my videos, sometimes they're for thumbnails, but they always add value to the project. Next is Claude AI. This is basically my script writing partner. I give Claude the topic, and it helps me build the hook, structure, script, visual directions, image prompts, video prompts, captions for my different platforms, and even thumbnail concepts. So instead of starting from a blank page, I have the whole production plan ready. Number 3 is Gemini. I use it for research, developing ideas, and generating visuals too. And here is something funny. When I am creating thumbnails, I sometimes generate the same concept in ChatGPT and Gemini. Then I pick the one that looks better. Now this one is a big part of my workflow, YouTube AI Playground. This is what I use to generate many of the video scenes you see in my Talk to Buchi content. Claude gives me the video prompt, and I take that prompt into the video generator, generate the scene, and then move it into my editing workflow. And finally, CapCut. This is where everything comes together. I bring in my clips, add captions, transitions, sound effects, timing, and then turn everything into the final video you see. And bonus, I also use DeepSeek when I'm creating picture posts and carousel content. It helps me come up with the concepts and structure for those posts. So that's my actual workflow: idea, research, script, visuals, video generation, editing, and finally publishing. I don't use AI to replace creativity. I use it to move faster. If you want, I can break down exactly how I use each of these tools step by step. Comment workflow and follow Talk to Buchi.